Morning. Right, this is, I'm going to say, being fair, day 6.1. Something like that, of the rewire job. Now, this is all complete, so I've just popped back because I was waiting for one light fitting, so I've just put that up. So I'm just going to give you a little tour around on what we've done. So it's took us, like I say, 6 days to completely rewire the house. So the board's all done. So she's all in. I've actually, part of the reason why it's took a little bit longer as well is because on a day in between all the filming that you didn't see, I had my NIC annual assessment, which I actually brought them to here. I thought, why not? It's local to me, so it's probably less than 2 minutes away from my house, this one, so it's nice and easy. So yeah, took the assessor around, showed him all the wiring and stuff like that in the loft. So yeah, so basically this is the completed job for us. As it stands now, they've organised for all the plasterer and stuff like that to come in. He's going to be overboarding all the ceiling. Again, separate job for our plasterer that we've known for, I've personally known for well over 15 years. So yeah, so it's all a complete job. So I'm going to just run you out into the garage because Jack, bless him, he took it upon himself to do all the filming for the garage install. So I said, do it as your own job. And to be fair, he's done really well on it. But the microphone, he'd forgotten to turn the microphone on a few times, and so you've missed out on some really cool content that he did. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview on what he's actually done. Like I say, I imagine by the time this has come up, I will have tried to edit some of the video that Jack's done, so you know, so it's not wasted content. At the end of the day, every day's a school day, so don't be harsh with him. It's one of those things. So I tried to get Jack to do as much of this install as possible, because only way to learn. I don't know anyone else has noticed on our videos, when I've got Jack with me, I try and get him as on the tools as much as possible, because it is genuinely the only way to learn. Yes, your college does all your theory stuff, fantastic, it's brilliant for that, but hands-on experience is what it's all about. So Jack's, I've got him doing all the board, so he ran it in a little bit of conduit down to the actual board top. The rest of it's all in trunking. Yeah, we could we could have done it all in conduit, but it's a garage, it doesn't matter, and the homeowners certainly don't give a monkeys. It's just good for him to have different experiences on different things. So he's labelled all the board up, got all that all sorted. He's actually tested it all out himself as well, which is great. Sorry for the old sunlight. So what he's basically done, so he's put a double socket over there, one here, and the light switch to control the I think it's a 5 foot IP rated strip light. And yeah, so he's done a really good job. So we used a DeWalt stapler, so that covers all that side of things as well. So yeah, so just thought I'd give you a really quick tour. I'll tell you what, I'll go and show you. So we've managed to do the rewire as well, so without damaging any of the kitchen walls, should I say, and tiles. So we've done all those. Let's take you back in here. Like I say, you can follow the links that I'll put above. I'll put the links up here-ish somewhere, that will show you on the different days, because I filmed every day we've been here, other than the assessment. So in here, we've managed to rewire the whole room without actually busting a single tile. Now the ceiling is left like this at the minute, because we've run the chase all the way through. And that ceiling is triple boarded. So what I mean by that, you've got the original plasterboard at the top, then you've got a wooden cladding, which was all the rage in sort of like the 80s, and then someone in their wisdom, probably the kitchen company who fitted this out, went, oh, we'll get rid of that, we'll just board over it. So then they boarded it again. So I've got 3 layers, massive no-go, weighs an absolute ton, so all 3 layers have got to come down. So that's another job. So overall, like I say, we were going to change all the face plates and stuff over, but these are actually deceptively big, so that actually, if I did change them over for our normal ones, which we did try, it actually then sits inside the tiles, which looks horrific. So speaking to the homeowner, we're like, yeah, what do you reckon? What do you think we should do? And he says, no, definitely leave those on. And it's like we've not actually been in the room, other than we've made a massive scar in the ceiling. But yeah, so other than that, we've tidied everything else up in the board, tidied the armour that was already there, which was just not clipped properly. So yeah, so overall, a really cool job. I actually enjoyed this one. And I'm going to be honest with you, I actually was not looking forward to it in the slightest. And the reason why I was not looking forward to it, because above my head, it's had a loft conversion. And notoriously, when they've had a loft conversion, they are a nightmare to do. It's not a normal bungalow. If it was a normal bungalow, we'd have smashed this probably in 4 days, I reckon, the way we've actually done all this. And people are going, yeah, how are you going to rewire in 4 days? And I've always, hand on heart, I've always had the same opinion. But now having the team that we've got, it was achievable on this. Doesn't always happen, I'm going to be honest, it's the first time we've managed to do it in this speed on this type of property. So, massively chuffed with the team, super effort. Hope you've enjoyed the videos. From all the responses and the view numbers and subscriber count and all that sort of stuff, it shows that you've actually really enjoyed this as well, so I'm chuffed for that. So hopefully, if you are a watcher and you've not subscribed, we've got some really cool content coming up. We've actually starting a garden office summer room, which is absolutely going to be amazing. There's all sorts of stuff going in there. There's networks, all cedar clad, it's got anthracite doors. It's going to look absolutely wicked. So, like I say, stay tuned for that. If you, like I say, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the link, turn notifications on, and you'll get to see that entire project from day one. Cheers for watching, guys. Take it easy. Have a good day.